The viewers, in this problem, we want to find all the three solutions. Now, by writing the given equations, here we have t to the power of 3 plus 8 equals to 0. Now, looking at this equation that says that a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3, this can be written as a plus b, a squared minus ab plus b squared. Now, using this approach to solve this, then we can have this to be here, rewriting this, which is the same thing, t to the power of 3 plus 2 to the power of 3 equals to 0. So this gives me t plus 2, which is like a plus b, okay? And also t plus 2, t squared minus 2t plus 2 squared equals to 0, which is the same thing as t plus 2, t squared minus 2t plus 4 equals to 0. Now we're having two different equations here. Where we can have t to be equals -2, or you can have t squared minus 2t plus 4 equals to 0, which forms a quadratic equation. Now, to simplify this quadratic equation, we can use the normal quadratic formula, that is t equals minus b plus or minus root b squared minus 4ac, everything divided by 2a. And from here, my a equals to 1, which is the coefficient of t squared, b is -2, and my c equals to 4. Now let's plug in this. Then here, my t is going to be -2 plus or minus root -2 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is also 4. Everything over 2 times 1. Simplifying this further, we have t -2 gives +2 plus or minus root -2 squared gives 4 minus 16 over 2, which is the same thing as 2 plus or minus root -12 over 2. Now simplifying the surd, then t equal 2 plus or minus, here we can have in the parentheses, which is -4 times 3 over 2, which is the same thing as 2 plus or minus 2i over 3 over 2. I believe you understand the reason why we have the negative, and we have the I, which is because of the -4. Okay, now let's factor out 2. Here we have t to be equals to 2 into bracket 1 plus I root 3 divided by 2. So let's cancel out this. And then finally, we're going to be left with 1 plus or minus I root 3. So that's going to be the value of what? The value of t. So now to write out everything, my t is going to be -2, also 1 plus or minus I root 3. So those are the three solutions to this problem. Thank you very much for watching my videos. See you next time.